How's everybody doing? Today we're gonna see something about double top and double bottom. The first thing we're gonna see about the double top. We're gonna talk about today about double top. It's very important. Double top versus to double bottom. That's what we're gonna see today. So what is a double top? So a double top means the price been filled to make a higher high, but instead it makes same high. So the price fell to make a higher high. For instance, the price is going up, down, up, down, up. So it's going up. So instead of going up, it fell to make a higher high. And for instance, we got two high here. So whenever you get a double top, this is what we call a double top. That's your first top. That's the second top. So instead of the price being going higher, so when the price is being going up and higher, so instead of the price being going higher, it's fell. So it create two double top. So after it's been create two double top, so the price has been fell. And we can call it also as a resistance. We can call a double top as a resistance. So anytime it gets the price move, and anytime the price been moving higher, it get to that resistance and it fell back. That's why we've been offering a class about candlesticks. So when you see that in candles, you will understand better. So you have to click on the link down there where we offer a class. We just offer you a big class with a good discount, how to read candles. So the candle will happen is create a wick. For instance, that's a candle. The candles create a wick. That's two candles. Create, we call that wick. Create two big wick. So these two wick called double top. So I was showing it to you like in a line short, for instance. It's a line short. So, but when you see that with candlestick, you will understand better. So you have to take the candlesticks class. And then it is create candles, these two candles create, so that means the price fell to go higher. It creates empty wick or a long tail wick, we call that. And then it's two called by the top. So whenever the price fell to get higher, so it's go back down. That's what we call double top. And I'm gonna show you that in a real short so you will understand same thing. Whereas for the double bottom, it's almost similar. The price fell to go in lower. So price going down. Instead of going higher, it's going here, about that bottom here. It's the same thing for like this. Price going down, create another, instead of going high or lower, it create on the bottom here. So meaning, price create a double bottom here. So that if you have seen that in the real candlestick, it's like the candles create, it's like the body here, it create a empty wick here. For instance, create an empty wick here, see? Empty wick. So one bottom. And we have another candlestick here. It create two bottom. So that means price been create two bottom. And we can call that as a support here. So whenever you have a support, you can buy. That's what we call buy. That's why you have to know when to buy and sell. That's why we offer you big class. You can see the class by click on the link down there. You can pay for the class. See? So whenever you see two double bottom, so the price, the stock has a chance to reverse back. Whenever you see these two bottom, it has chance to reverse back to go up. It creates what you call support. And whenever you see two double bottom, it creates what you call a resistance. So those are the two candles. So the price fell to get higher. So now it creates two double top. Instead of the price going higher, it creates two double top. So therefore, price fell going down. So whenever you see these two top of candlestick, so you have a chance for the stock to go lower or going back down. So if you have bought, you just have to sell. Anytime you see two double bottom, that means you have to sell because surely the stock gonna go down. And whereas whenever you see two double bottom, it's create what we call a support. What's gonna happen if you were outside the stock market? It's time for you to get in because stock has a chance to go up. The double top, if you were in, it's time for you now to get. It's time for you now to get out because it's create what you call a double top. Stock gonna fell down. So double top. So let me give you the real mean. The real meaning. The double top means stock gonna go back down. You have to sell. And double bottom means stock gonna go up. You have to get in to buy. That means support going up. Double top means resistance going down. That's the main meaning. Until now, if you like this class, give me a like and subscribe. And also, we offer you a great value class with a great discount where you put 15% for your discount to buy what you call the Trading View, where you teach you about the tools, how to use Trading View. So you got to know how to use Trading View. I give you a 15% discount to purchase or to buy the app of Trading View because Trading View has all great tools for you to use, and also he has what we call great indicators for you to use indicators. And then I teach you step by step how to use those tools and how to use those indicators. And also we offer you a great class about candles. That's why we've been teaching you now, candlestick. So the candlesticks, so we teach you about candle when the price fell, like create a double top. And also we teach you about when they fell to get higher. So we teach you about the double bottom too, where price fell to go lower. So, and we teach you all those indicators in this class. It's very cheap. Just click on the link down there, and then you will not miss it. Now, this is what we call about double top and double bottom. I'm gonna share to you in real short how it looks like. Let's go there. Just get there to see what we can do for you in a real short here. You see, I just put it for you there. You can understand now even better. I just put it for you. What is a double top? So I put it for you. A double top is a short pattern that indicates a potential market reversal. That's what we call double top. So instead of going higher, you reverse back down. Instead of the stock going lower, it reverses back down. So instead of that, it just reverses back down. So that indicates a potential market reversal. It's a bearish pattern. So whenever you see a double top, that's going to call about bearish. Remember, I teach you about a bullish, bull, and bears, which is bullish and bearish. So whenever you see bearish, that means it's going to go down. When you see bull, that means it's going to go up. So it's a bearish pattern that appears as two peak. We call that a two peak for the top. See, two peaks at a similar price. So that means they stay at the same price. For instance, this price is at $10. It's create this two peak at $10. And then you're going to go back as we call reversal. So that's the way it should in short. See, this is what we're talking about here. It's a double top. See, double top. It creates what we call a resistance. You see, I can put it in different color for you. It creates what we call a resistance here. See, the two line is a double top. So and whenever you see double top, create what we call a resistance. And that's a real short. And then whenever you see a double top, it's like I said to go down. That's why you see now it's go down. It was going up. After it started being going up, it's fell to, you see, it's fell. It created what we call the wick. That's it called we call that wick. It's fell to go higher. It's fell to go higher. Stay there, same price. Stay there, same price. So that's mean it's create what's called resistance and start going down. See, it's been going up, create this one, and then now after it's going down here, it's going there, it's going down, it create another top here. So it's create two double top and start going down. Anytime you see the two double top, start create resistance, start gonna go down. That's why you got to take the class. In this class, we showed you also big thing in a real short about trading view and then how to use them, how to pull the double top, how to see that in the indicators. So my friend, take this class. They'll be cheap. You're not gonna miss it. It's just every cheap. I teach you about the candlestick, and then you will know. Now, another double top you see here, same thing. Double top here, double top. So price failed to be reversed. Anytime you see double top, stock has a chance to go down. All those are double top. Here, double top. So anytime you see that, price has a chance to fall down. It's going down. Now we're gonna see about double bottom. Similarly, what is a double bottom? A double bottom, as I just told you, is similarly, as you can see. The double bottom is a bullish reversal. Remember, the double top was a bearish. We're talking about bull, like we said, bull versus bearish. So now we were talking before from the top was bearish. Now it's a bottom. It's a bullish reversal. Short bottom that forms after a downtrend. For the top, it's after a uptrend. Now for the bearish, is after the double bottom is after a downtrend. So it indicates a potential shift in market sentiment from bearish to bullish. So price stay the same. So double bottom, you're gonna see that. That's a double bottom here. When you see double bottom, see that's the way. Double bottom here. See, create two double bottom here. So we call double bottom. So price refuse to go lower. See, bottom one, bottom two. So price create double bottom. So anytime you can identify two double bottom, that means it's good. So that means stock market has a chance to go back up. When you take the real class, I teach you how to identify them step by step. Now I just give you an introduction about it, just an idea how it look like. So two double bottom and then create a reversal up. So what does it mean? Whenever you see a double bottom, that's mean at the support. You always identify them at the support for double bottom. Support for double bottom. So when you always identify them at the support, because at the two double bottom. Anytime you see a two double bottoms, that's a reversal back up. We call that bullish, going up. So last time I'm gonna show you how they look like at the same. You see this? That's a, we call that a double bottom here. See double top there. See? Double bottoms always identify at the support. Support. So anytime you can identify about a double bottom, that means start, you see it start going down and it create a weak there. So refuse to go down, stay at the same level. Here's going up and going down. Refuse to go lower, it's create the same level. That's been called that same price, same level. So that means it refuses to go lower. So it create two double bottom and price reverses up. So whenever you can identify two double bottom, that's means it's gonna go up. And that's the support. Whereas for the double top, create two double top here, you see the same thing, but it's create reverse to the double top. So the price refuse to go higher. There for the bottom, price refuse to go lower. For the double top, price refuse to go higher. It's create the same level, same price. You call that same price. So whenever you can identify these two, the same level, and it's, or at the resistance, we call that at the resistance. So it's not gonna go down. So that's the difference between double top and double bottom. So the double bottom and double top. So that's the way you can identify it. If you want to understand more, I can create. I'm just gonna show you in a 3D view very fast how they look like. Let me see if I can get one of double top to show you quick, because if you need to know more, just do me a favor, just take this class. It's very cheap. Let me see if I can show you something in a real 3D view, and then we take it from there and we out. For instance, you can see two double bottom here at the 3D view. Here, you see these two double bottom. See, double top here. So anytime you can identify double top, that means stock has a chance to go down. That's why it's go down. See, that's the way you can identify. So double bottom here, price going up. Double bottom here, price going up. So that's the way. But I will teach you more if you take this class. In this class, we teach you step by step how to identify double top, double bottom, how to put, what indicators you have to put. We combine them with all those indicators. So, and also I will put there like for you to take this class. And that's a very cheap class, introduction class. And also we put there like for you for the trading view. So my friend, if you like this video, just replay it, like and share. It was helpful. And then see you. We keep in touch. Bye-bye. Take care. We keep in touch. Bye-bye.